G'day everyone, my name's Rick Evans from Regional Development Australia Hunter. We're really proud to support the Newcastle Jets A-League women's team in season 2021-2022. Part of our partnership is to not only help the Jets women's team succeed in their season, but also to utilise some of the networks of the junior female footballers around the region and have some of those footballers not only succeed in their sporting career, but also start thinking about some of the jobs of the futures and education pathways that can get them there.
Hi, I'm Tyra Andrews and I've played for the Newcastle Jets for the last 13 years. I also studied a civil engineering degree at Newcastle University, and I've now been working full-time for the last 3 years while playing soccer.
Hi, I'm Cassidy Davis and I've been playing for the Newcastle Jets for 9 years. I'm currently studying at Newcastle University doing primary school teaching. I'm in my 4th year and about to complete my internship.
My biggest footballing highlight is playing for the Matildas. I did get 2 caps in 2015 and it was a really exciting time for me.
My biggest footballing highlight would be making my debut for the Newcastle Jets in the 2013-14 season. Also, one of my highlights would be making the semi-finals for the Newcastle Jets as well. From my experiences, some advice for young footballers would be to make sure that you've got a career outside of football. I don't think football is everything, although we love to play the game and we love to spend all our time at football. I think it's really important that you have a career outside of it for when you're finished. Obviously you can't play forever, and you need to make sure that you're studying on the side so that when football's done you've got something to fall back on.
So the Hunter region has many exciting sectors that you could start looking for work opportunities for, and Regional Development Australia Hunter is here to help you find your way and your education pathway to find some of these exciting careers. We have some sectors including defence industry, manufacturing, careers in engineering, we've got clean tech, and we have the mining and resource industry. And all of these sectors have amazing employers that are looking to put on you as a future workers. And again, we're here to help you through on that journey. RDA Hunter has programs in high school promoting a defence industry workforce and a mining and resource workforce, and activities and opportunities that Kel will take you through that you may cross paths with us.
Hi, my name's Kelly and I'm a Project Officer with Regional Development Australia Hunter. Thinking about jobs and careers, I'm wondering if anyone at home has heard of the term transferable skills before. These are important abilities that are useful across a range of different roles. We wanted to highlight that through playing team sports such as football, you are already developing valuable transferable skills. Things such as teamwork, time management, leadership and communication. These skills will help set you apart when you apply for jobs in the future.
The most valuable skills I've learned in football are commitment and dedication. Now that I'm working full time, I'm definitely using those things every day, and getting in the habit of going to soccer training every day. I now use that obviously with going to work and making sure I'm committed in what I'm doing and I'm dedicated to progress in my career.
The most valuable skill that I've learnt in football would be hard work, and it's something I use every day in football and in my career. Obviously studying, you need to put in a lot of hard work to be able to improve and obviously finish your career off. So yeah, that's something that I work on every day, and it's how I've got to where I am playing for the Newcastle Jets.
When I was at school, I really enjoyed mathematics and science, and I liked to learn about how things worked. So I think one day, I was working probably with my dad in the shed, and he kind of said to me, have you ever considered engineering at university? And I was like, what's that mean? So I did a little bit of research into what engineering was, and I saw that you could build these really big high rises, these bridges, dams, and all these really cool things. So I guess from that moment, after kind of doing a little bit of that stuff with my dad and talking to him about it, I decided to pursue engineering, and that's why I did civil engineering at university.
We also wanted to share some of the really fun STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths activities available to you through RDA Hunter's Skilled Workforce Program. One of my favourites is the Build Me a Future Day, held every year in May at Newcastle Uni. You get to work in small groups, tackling hands-on challenges such as building a hovercraft, a water turbine, a bionic hand, or even a super strong bridge. We also offer a STEM Defence and Innovation program in partnership with the Newcastle Business Centre, where you learn how to take an idea, turn it into a product and take it to market. Last year we had 11 males but only 1 female take part. I know you'd have some awesome ideas out there and I'd really encourage you to participate. We'd really like to see more females taking up this opportunity.
As a female in a STEM industry now, I guess my best advice for young girls going through school and high school is that you can do anything. Don't pigeonhole yourself into a typical female industry or job. You can do anything. I'm in a male-dominated industry, but I love what I do, and I think everyone should try and get into STEM industries.
We're also able to arrange work experience placements with our industry partners if that's something that you are considering. Another fun thing on offer is the chance to compete in fun STEM competitions such as F1 in schools, where you get to collaborate to design, manufacture and then race a compressed air-powered car. Some of you may have heard of our Tech Girls are Superheroes workshops. These are exclusively for female students, where you get to develop your coding and entrepreneurial skills while you develop an app that solves a real-world problem. If any of these activities have sparked your interest, please have a chat with your teacher or reach out to me, Kel, at RDA Hunter. We'd love to see you and your friends take part in these amazing opportunities this year.
Regional Development Australia Hunter promotes a skilled workforce initiative for the region. We promote students in high school, TAFEs and universities to take up science, technology, engineering and mathematics subjects that will upskill and provide capabilities for working in jobs of the future.
Yeah, big reason why I wanted to do teaching. I wanted to be able to help young kids obviously get better at their education, and yeah, it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. And I guess after school I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, and I tried a few different career paths and then ended up with primary teaching, and I'm really enjoying it.
We're really excited to be supporting the Newcastle Jets this season.
A massive thanks to RDA Hunter for supporting our Newcastle Jets A-League women's team this season.